Hey guys, it's Jaren from Patrick Adair Supplies, and today we're doing the Midnight Storm sub box. Let's get into it.
Every month, we dive into epic tutorials that break down everything you need to know to make awesome rings with your monthly sub box. We'll cover the tools, the materials, and techniques you need to turn your box into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Whether you're a first-timer or a pro, you're in the right place.
So here we got for you the slate blue color pigment, the cubic zirconium. These ones have really nice shimmer to it. They're honestly very similar to our uncut diamonds. And then these ones, this is the blue sandstone. They have a really nice shimmer, kind of creating a starry night look. Of course, we got our black ceramic blank and then blue glow powder. First, I'm going to crush up our blue sandstone to create smaller pieces, and I'll separate the dust from it using a fine mesh strainer. Here, to make our color glow powder, I'm mixing 1 part pigment with 3 parts glow powder. This will ensure that you have a nice deep color to it, as well the glow will be bright. Now that our prep is done, let's go ahead and make the ring. First, to create a backdrop, we chose a deep blue to set the mood. Dark, calm, and mysterious. Kind of like the sky before a thunderstorm, hence the name. Here I'm placing in our cubic zirconium. These are crystal clear stones, often mistaken for diamonds. We use these in our designs because they are affordable and beautiful. They're also flawless by design, and so it represents clarity in the chaos of the storm. Next, let's bring in our crushed blue sandstone. Despite the name, it's actually a man-made glass that's infused with particles of copper. And that shimmer, it's called evanescence. That sparkle mimics a clear night sky lit by stars. Holding everything together is our black ceramic band, a material known for its extreme hardness and scratch resistance. Its black base is also a perfect canvas for the storm to unfold. Unlike metal, ceramic doesn't tarnish. It's lightweight, but nearly as hard as sapphire. These characteristics are not only great for a long-lasting ring, but makes it a little bit easier on us ring makers. You don't really need to worry about scratching it during the ring making process. My dremeling technique here is simple. Side-to-side motions with the Dremel, working away the material little by little. If you guys want a little bit more in-depth tutorial on things that I'm doing here or in any other design, please let us know in the comments. I hope you guys can now see the beauty of this design coming through. It takes time and patience to tame a storm like this into something wearable. But after we got a nice sanding and polishing done, it has become more than a ring. It's a moment that has been captured. Another great design. Hope you guys have liked this one. Leave some suggestions in the comments for other ring designs that you want to see in the future. I'll definitely be sure to check them out. Thanks guys, and I hope you have a good one.